We are at the airport about to leave for Walt Disney World. Are you excited, Jackie?
Yes.
We're excited and can't wait to get to Disney.
What is our train?
Right there.
The blue one?
Mm-hmm.
Are they looking at it?
Are you excited?
Yes, and I like blue. And he's like, I like blue.
Made it. We're on the plane.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited. We are on our plane. We are probably about halfway from Minnesota to Orlando. 3-hour flight. How are you doing? And Jackie's coloring. Another hour to go, and then we'll be to Disney. We've landed. We're in Orlando.
Look at this.
We're getting closer. We're almost Magical Express. Yay! There we are. We finally made it to Disney's Magical Express.
Let's get in.
Go stand by 9, I'll take a picture.
They raised us, are they?
Yeah. Let's get down to 9.
Soon you'll be boarding the plane motorcoach. Please keep your parking together, and for everyone's safety, hold small children by hand.
That very big. That very big. Very big. Yay!
We just crossed into Disney World. We're excited.
I didn't know what kind of lights are we paying.
Look at how pretty. Maybe. It could be. Port Orleans Riverside.
Ooh, this carpet.
Look at all the hidden Mickeys.
Can we eat you? That is a nice place to eat, Mama. Steak? Ooh. Where you eat
A boat. There's the boat we can take to Disney Springs. Are you guys excited? We finally made it. Patier place.
Is that us?
Yep, it's ours. We're almost there. Garden View. Garden View Royal Suite. What is this? Oh my goodness.
This is fake. This is.
Oh my goodness. It's the royal guest room. Oh, look at how awesome this is. It's even better in person. And everything's just got so much detail. Look at these curtains. Very fancy curtains. Got the air conditioner. And you got a cute little set of chairs and a table. And a mirror. And then you've got the princes. The different princes. And then you move on to the TV. And then the different drawers. And look at the knobs. They really do detail here. And you've got the fridge. And you've got an ice chest and glasses, and then a coffee maker. And then we bought Jacqui already the cup that you can refill, and that was $20. And then look at, here's Princess Tiana. Look at how pretty that is. And then you've got the cute chair from Beauty and the Beast. And then you've also got Aladdin's rug. I mean, oh, it's so pretty. And then the 2 double beds, it looks like. And there's the lights. Look at how pretty that is. Can't wait to do that at night. You got hooks over there. And then you've got all the princesses' portraits. Very cool. And look at the sink. Aladdin's lamp, gold touch, 2 sinks, hair dryer, ironing board iron, extra pillow, and then the bathroom. It's got cute detail from the Little Mermaid, towels, and then the shower. See, alright, not bad. And then now they have these. Very neat.